If you want to create viral videos using Sora, you have to make sure you nail every prompt. And because Sora introduced limits, ignore the videos I generated, you can only now generate 30 videos. So you have to make each generation count. That's why in this video, I'll show you 4 different style prompts you can use to create viral videos in Sora that are promoting your product ready to post without any editing needed. So let's begin. First, we have short prompts. David has shown this perfectly. As you can see right here, he generated this video using a simple prompt. What I eat in a day, vlog of a Gen Z woman in Bali, right? So you simply describe what you want to generate, and because Sora is trained on thousands or if not millions of short form videos, it knows exactly what to do, right? It shows the face, it had a perfect hook.
And I'm home this morning from Bali. I'm doing a zero processed sugar day, so here's everything I ate. Breakfast.
Right? A lot of shots. I cut every 2 seconds or so. So you literally can just write a simple prompt. It could be like a girl eating after gym and scanning her food with a Call AI app, right? And you could just do that. And that's it, the video will be ready to post. Now, problem with short prompts is that they might not give you consistent results, right? Very often do you see Sora change characters, different skin color, different hair, whatever it is. So you don't have much control. Now, if you want control, you need detailed prompts. And let me show you and explain it how to do it well. So Ankit did this well, right? So he generated, I don't know, probably thousands of videos using Sora promoting his app, and he shared his prompt. As you can see, it's a super long prompt, but it works because it gets you exactly what you need. So you have primary targets, right? Blonde woman filming a casual TikTok, format and look, lens, filtration, grade and palette, lighting, wardrobe, sound, dialogue, right? Okay, like you type out the exact dialogue you want, purpose. Now, this is much more detailed. You'll get much more consistent characters, but exactly what you want, just different videos. So if you want to promote your app or get the best content possible, you should do that. Of course, these detailed prompts might take a little longer to write. So just ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for you, right? And you'll be able to generate repeatable characters, repeatable scenes, and full videos you can post. Now before we go through the third prompt, I have to say something important, that it doesn't matter what kind of videos you generate. You could generate the best video possible with the most virality potential, but if you're not posting it to the right audience, if you're not reaching American audience, you're not going to make a lot of money from it. That's why I suggest you take a look at Ticomate. I linked it in bio. It's my app that helps you reach American audiences from anywhere in the world. You don't need VPNs, you don't need SIM cards, you just get accounts and reach American audience. Anyways, carrying on with the video. The third prompt is frame by frame prompt, or second by second. Now, it was made by Framer, right? I think the best use case for these, if you want to act out scenes, if you want to make some kind of actions, right? You do that by uploading a prompt with timestamps. So as you can see, an example here, it says,
I tell people I'm single by choice.
Oh, your choice.
No, theirs.
Right? So as you can see, video was made exactly how the prompt goes, from second to second, what man says, the close-up shot, wide shot, whatever it is. So you can actually make these timestamps to create any style video you want. Now, don't go overboard. You can only generate videos up to like 15 seconds if you have Sora Pro, but otherwise, don't try to make a minute-long video, right? You can also use ChatGPT to generate these prompts, but if you're doing second by second, you probably want all the details possible. Now, lastly, another option that's pretty good is literally just going to Sora's prompt library, right? So in Sora, you can actually view each video and see what prompt was used to generate it. So for example, we click on this, and here we have Sama making spaghetti. That was the prompt. As you can see, super simple prompt. It generated this video. Let's see, maybe you want to generate Jesus, epic anime of Jesus flipping tables, right? You do that. You look at the videos, you see the styles you like, and the videos you want to generate, for example, Bob Ross playing PUBG or whatever this is, right? First person shooter, right? You just copy these prompts, redo them, perhaps ask ChatGPT to rewrite for your product, and you're good to go. Now, this is not actually everything you can do with Sora. Sora is much more powerful. That's why in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to replicate any TikTok, viral TikTok or reel, take it for yourself and use Sora to regenerate it promoting your product. So if you don't want to miss that out, I suggest you subscribe or check a video if it's already posted right here. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.